It's Dr. Sara's story time, and I'm a scholar with a brilliant mind. I love myself and I like to learn, so start the story and let the pages turn. Do you see a cat? By Dr. Sara Northern. I see a cat. Do you see a cat? I see a cat with a hat. Do you see a cat? I see a cat with a silly hat. I like cats.